Hi, 5th grade. Today I'm going to show you how to locate OWED work in Schoology. So the way Schoology is set up, every day when you get here, you do your daily attendance, you click on this icon, you fill out the form. And then at the top, right underneath there, I always have the newest folder marked with the day, month, and date, and also what schedule we're on. So for today, your assignments are complete the daily attendance, make sure you have completed all assignments for music class, and then when you are finished, you're going to be able to play on something called Chrome Music Lab. But let's get to looking to see what things you owe. So when you open each folder, I'll have the items listed there for you. Now I'm going to go back. To find what assignments you might owe, you're going to go over to the left side of your screen. We're usually on the materials page, and that's where I post the daily folder with all of the items in them. Updates you won't need, but grades is super important. So right now, we're going to click on grades. And the person who I've highlighted owes a few assignments. How can you tell? Well, when you go down the side, it lists the names of the assignments. So it looks like this student completed the first one, which is upload photos of create your own story artwork. They completed that, and I know because there's a little paper mark, and it has a score. Now, anything with a blank dash next to it means that that person did not complete those assignments. So to access them, if I go over to the name of the assignment, I can click on that and it will take me right to the assignment. Now, sometimes assignments have things that are helpers or information you might need to complete them. And if we go up to the top, here's the name of the assignment that we're on right now. Next to it is the folder it was in. If I click on the folder, it will take me to all the things that were in that folder that can help me. For example, before I wanted you to take the Star Spangled Banner lyrics assessment, I wanted you to watch the video so that you can practice the words. All right, I'm going to go back again to the main page. All right, so here it is, step by step. To find your assignments and how you did on them, or if you owe them, you go over to the left-hand side. We're going to click on the word grades. When we do, it's going to list all of your assignments, and it'll show you a grade if you've completed it and I got a chance to grade it, or it's going to show you a dash for missing. If we scroll down, anything that's in black, that does not matter. The black words are just the types of assignments that I've given you. So far, I've only given you one test, and I've given you lots of classwork. So, your assignment right now is to check your grades, and anything that has a dash next to it, you are going to click on that assignment and complete it today. All right, have fun!